26 rescued sailors jammed aboard. The Marine Corps first flew them in combat from the land. It was feared the power and limited forward visibility would make it dangerous on a carrier. That was overcome, of course. Corsair went on to totally outclass the Japanese Zero. In fact, the Japanese named it the Whistling Death because of the sound of the air going through the wing-mounted oil coolers as it dove into attack. Though that project was canceled in 1945. About 40 Corsairs still flying. Blue's airplane is an FG-1D built by Goodyear. It's a World War II vet. It flew off the USS Benjamin William in 1945. It was discovered in a New Zealand plane graveyard in 1971 and flies. Coming out the ground that fast, it rushes up at you really